In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to TikTok Shop. We'll keep this quick and clear. All you need is access to your WordPress dashboard and a WooCommerce store already running. Start by opening your WordPress website and logging into the admin area. This takes you to the dashboard, which is the control center for everything on your site. Connecting WooCommerce to TikTok Shop lets you showcase your catalog where your audience already spends time, and it helps streamline tasks like product syncing and order flow so you manage everything from one place. The plugin acts as the bridge, making the connection reliable without manual copying or complicated setup. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Plugins. Click it to open the Plugins page where you manage the tools that extend your store's features. Next, click Add New at the top. This opens the plugin directory, a searchable library of approved extensions. In the search bar on the right, type TikTok. Give it a moment to load the results. You're looking for the official TikTok plugin that integrates with WooCommerce. Check the name and the publisher and glance at the ratings to make sure you're choosing the legitimate one. When you're ready, click Install now. WordPress will download and prepare the extension for your site. Once the button changes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on so your store can start talking to TikTok Shop. After activation, take a moment to explore the plugin. You'll usually see a new TikTok entry in your dashboard menu or under your marketing tools. Open it and walk through the on-screen guidance. Most setups include a simple step-by-step wizard that helps you link your store, review permissions, and confirm the connection. Follow the prompts at your own pace. Nothing is published until you explicitly approve it. As you look around, you'll notice options related to your product catalog, ads, order syncing, and tracking. You don't have to change anything right away. Just get familiar with what's available and how it's organized. A few tips as you explore. Keep your WordPress, WooCommerce, and theme up to date for the smoothest experience. If a button seems unresponsive, refresh the page and try again. If you're choosing between multiple TikTok-related plugins, go with the one that clearly states WooCommerce compatibility and has recent updates. And before making big changes, it's smart to have a backup of your site, just in case you want to roll something back. That's it. You've opened your site, navigated to plugins, added the TikTok plugin, installed it, activated it, and begun exploring. From here, the plugin's built-in instructions will guide you the rest of the way. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.